Good morning. I am back with one new post, short one again. I given the title to this post as 30 karat gold. Now you can purchase material gold, but this gold you can make yourself. It's a crazy title I've given just to sensitize you on the metaphor. I call this morning hour as a 30 karat gold, which you can manufacture yourself. Morning hour means when you wake up, when you open your eyes in the morning after having a sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Normally assume that you will be getting up 5:30. These 30 minutes are very critical, and this is the time which I called as golden hour earlier. So this 30 karat gold I give as a metaphor. Take also a very precious possession you will have. You will notice later when you practice this few things which I am going to tell you. The first one is, as you open your eyes from your lying in bed, don't jump out, keep lying down and focus on your breath. Don't force anything, just focus on the breath, the air going through your nostrils. Maybe it will take just 5-7 minutes, and you may feel that to go to washroom and do that, do your other things. And if you feel like relaxing a bit more, come back to bed and sit erect with spine erect, eyes closed, and legs can be on floor. Then you can start either by saying your own prayers, whichever you may know, or the simplest thing is you do some breathing exercises, very simple. Inhale for some time comfortably, hold it for some time and exhale. But keep in mind that you don't let any thought come to your mind at that time. So you may do for some comfortable time, maybe 5 counts, 7 counts or 12 counts, whatever. After that, keep sitting in posture on your bed, only no problem. And then you close your eyes, do Om chanting. Now you can put a query on YouTube and you can put just that Om chanting. You get a lot of videos where they explain how to do this Om chanting. Om, as I said earlier, it's a mixture of 3 words, which is called as primordial sound by Indian sages. A, U, M, Mo, etc. So if you have any time to listen to baby uttering some words, the first word, all babies, when we were all uttering same thing. So this was broken into 3. 2 vowels in English thing and M, 1 consonant. A as in ask. U can be ooze or whatever. M is you are not moving your tongue or anything. It's internal sound. So technique is take a deep breath, like the comfortable deep breath. Hold it breath and then you start Om. Om will start upwards sound, that is from your belly upwards. So you have to concentrate the flow of sound from belly towards your throat and towards mind. Like I'll show you like this. This may stretch for about 3 to 5 seconds, depending on your comfort level. You can close in 3 seconds. So before you chant this word, you have to take a breath, breathing, comfortable breathing, and hold on and then start chant. I'll show you like this. So I do from belly going upwards to near my crown at top of that. So this you can do for initial 5 counts or 7 counts or 11 counts. Now this 5, 7, 11 and 21 got certain significance in the Vedic maths, or even Western culture also accepted this fact. There's something special about these numbers, which I'll come to later on. Now, so this might take about 10 minutes or something for initial wake up, breathing exercises, then Om chanting. So try to stretch to at least 15 minutes. After that comes the next 15 minutes. This is for exercise or body conditioning. You can do any simple exercise. If you know push-ups, you can do push-ups. Walk around your house. If you are in multi-story building, you can walk around your house. Come down and go in the common area. If you're lucky to have some exercise cycle, do that. If a small gym equipment, do that. Simple. But the condition is, the moment you open your eyes till you finish your exercise, you are not supposed to take any beverage. No tea, no coffee, no drinks. Maximum you can take a small tumbler of half tumbler of glass of water. That's it. Nothing else is allowed. So this should take at least 30 minutes. So this is what I called as 30 karat gold, which is the most crucial part of your morning, and that will shape up yourself mentally and physically for the next 8 to 10 hours, 11 hours when you go for a profession. And you believe me that within a week or so you'll see some difference in yourself. You'll feel lighter, mentally more happier, and you may be able to solve problems much effectively, and you may perhaps overcome this menace of procrastination. So we do all procrastination. We do put off things till tomorrow. So this will complete the 1 hour that I told is your own property, not to be shared with anybody. And be selfish. You are welcome to be selfish. You should be selfish. Don't give that 1 hour out of 24 hours to anybody. Just condition yourself, enjoy it, and make it your own growth, self-growth. So next video I'll go forward and go more deeper into the channel that I have created, the 30 minutes ritual. There we'll see how do we start using the 30 minutes, and the 1 hour is a separate thing. So that is your own making. How you use it, that 1 hour, that is your own plan. Thank you very much, and next time I'll come more with this 30 minutes channel, and more and diverse videos I'll be posting, and I'll see how I go forward and go deep dive into the 6 laws of 30 minutes, which I mentioned a bit earlier, like morning walk, connecting with nature, having fun time, and developing skills, all those stuff. Thank you very much. I'll get back to you again. Have fun.